내 몸으로 증명한 발명.
First glance across the crowded room, you didn't even notice me. But something in your eyes so deep called out silently. You move with quiet confidence, no need to make a scene. While others seek attention, you're sublime, almost unseen. And now I can't stop thinking about the way you looked away, the curve upon your perfect lips, the words you didn't say. There's something rare inside of you that others fail to see, but I recognize that special